Hello, this is Vaughn Clement. I want to give you a short tour of the OnTarget Solutions website so you can navigate to find products. The first place I'm going to show you is we are on the home screen, and there is some information below here that will give you the different stores, which are the Custom Application Store, the Application for iTunes Store, where we can go to iTunes and see applications by this developer. And this is the Featured App Store, where you can find special offers and discounts on different applications at different times. Let's go back up to the top of the screen. You'll note there are over 4,500 and now over 5,000 apps sold from this website worldwide. Let's go to the sitemap and click on that location. You'll see that there's a Custom Application Store. This is the direct link to the application store. This is other services that we offer. This is the Custom App Development screen, where we'll show you in detail how we help you with custom applications to build them for you based on applications we have or start from scratch. There's a shopper screen, cart, checkout, and account for people that are buying applications from this site. The next one is the application for iTunes Store, and this will take you directly to a listing page where you have all the applications for this, and I'm going to navigate to it, for iTunes Store. And you'll see as you come to the top of the screen, there's a search keyword if you wanted to search for different things. There are some detailed pieces of information as you're going down here, and then each application that is on the iTunes Store is shown here with the detail, and you can click on the blue banner here to go see that particular detail page on the Apple Store or iTunes Store. Over on this side of the screen, you'll notice that there are current applications that are available. There are some Facebook contact information for our Facebook site. Here's some general information about how to contact us. Social widgets, where you can click on them and see our different stores and information about us. And then down through here are previews of custom applications, and these are the ones that people have currently looked at. And if you come down further, there's a category list where you can click here, and it gives you apps by application and how they are actually separated by category. You can go down and pick any of these, and it'll show you all the iPad, the Mac, the Windows, the cloud apps, and down here are upgrades that you can see for applications that are new and being upgraded. You can pick a coupon and pay the difference between what the current application is, and you always want to check with the developer. There are offers all the time for special discounts for different applications if you already owned one of the applications that were on the store. And down at the very bottom of the screen, there's connection information as far as different things, and also stuff from our blog. Let's go back to the top of the screen. We'll scoot all the way through all this and go to the top of the screen, where we're going to see the next thing, which is the blog. And on the blog, you're going to have the, let's go back over here, the Featured Application Store. It's a different store where we do offer different discounts and things for different applications, especially new things that are just coming in and should be available very soon. So let's go ahead and look down here. There's information for upgrade applications, special offers, and new applications. If you go down a little further, you're going to see there are two things for a Udemy Course Manager and a Project Manager course that is on the blog that explains a new application that's just been released and is available. The next thing is to go in and look at the blog, and we're going to go down and look at the full Masonry, which is the full screen blog page. And what it'll do is it'll show you all the different blogs, messages and stuff that are on the site. Down in the very bottom of the corner of the screen, you'll see that there's a help. If you need help, you can click on this. What it'll do is it'll pop up. You can put in a note here, but make sure you include your email so I know who is actually contacting us so we can get back to you. If you have any questions about how to use this application site, or any questions about the App Store itself, here's another thing you can do, is you can click on the search and type in any title that you know may be on the site. And for example, if I put in there, let's say property, and let's see what's out there under property, and you'll see how the search works. It's going to spin up a little bit, and what it does, it lists the current apps that are in there that have property related to them, either by a tag or in the actual name of the application. So for example, if I wanted to keep going, I could put in more information in here, and every time I change it, I'm going to get something different. For example, if I put in there auction will bring up a different set of applications. There are 116 applications listed between the iTunes Store and the apps on this site. The applications on this site through the store, if I click on one, I'm going to go show you what it looks like. This page is called the detail page, and what it does, it lists the application name, the version, the current price, and you can see this one is a discount currently, and it's on the application store featured so that it's down to $79.99 from $99.99. And then there's information that shows you that it is a Windows application. And then as you read down through the data here, it's going to explain the application, and there's a picture of a calendar that's included in it, which is a very high-end calendar. And as you go down in, there'll be more information. And one of the most important things on the entire tour that we're taking today is when you're on any detail page and in several locations on the App Store, you can click on, put your cursor over the name and click on any of these, and it'll take you to that application. As you can see, there's quite a number of them in the screen. Different applications for different versions for Windows, iPad, Cloud, and as you keep on going down, you can see there's quite a few applications. I actually have about 150 applications that are customized for different customers that are based on what we call a base app, that are modified to fit the particular requirements of those people. If you want to be able to see any of those, you can get a tour of those applications by contacting us on this website